Hey everyone, myself Himanshi Tikawat. I got into National Law University, Delhi. I belong to the city of Kota, Rajasthan, on the bank of River Chambal. I would like to thank all the faculty members and staff at Ekoching who inspired me and helped me throughout my journey in preparing for CLAT and ELIT. I would like to thank my parents also who believed in me for cracking this examination. When it comes to GK, Vikram sir not only made sure we learn it, but made sure we remember it for a long period of time. Cutie became a very cutie when Shruti ma'am came up with her tricks and tips. Verbal and Ella became a cherry pie after Dhruv sir and Prashant sir guided us. And legal became my personal favorite after Nandini ma'am cleared my concepts. I would thank and I'm very grateful to all the faculty members and staff of e-coaching who helped me throughout my journey. Thank you.